National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Frederick County and north central Maryland, southern Washington County and north central Maryland, eastern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, northern Loudoun County and northern Virginia, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected 5 miles south of Shepherdstown and was moving east at 15 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Brunswick, Braddock Heights. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.